Only 10 years after Digital Insurance was established, the company had become the fastest-growing employee benefits agency in the nation. As the advent of healthcare reform mandated sweeping changes to the insurance industry, Digital expanded its business model to encompass larger clients and directly contract with more employers. The firm engaged Brand Fever to develop a comprehensive brand strategy, architecture, and visual system to capture Digital's distinctive, progressive qualities and stand out in a marketplace demanding evolution. We began our process by gathering insights from customers and internal stakeholders. The synthesis of the research findings identified multiple recurring themes and positioning directions, culminating in a singular statement that became the new tagline. The new positioning evolved into the company's strategic approach to business. Next, we concepted a brand identity grounded in our research findings. The look became the foundation of the brand's visual system, applied to online, direct mail, sales materials, and e-communications. With a need to reach different prospects, a new website was essential to the success of Digital's rebrand. We profiled each web user and defined their unique goals. Our new interface and robust resource center answered this with the development of a mega menu and unified information. It also introduced social media channels and reference tools. The result was an engaging user experience, recognized by the Web Marketing Association. The success of the entire branding process was also recognized by an even more substantial source, the client. And Inc. 5000 continues to list Digital as one of the fastest-growing private firms in the country.